comparative account of various systems of classification. First system, artificial system by Carolus Linnaeus, a great Swedish naturalist, is rightly known as father of modern botany. Artificial system means a system of classification based on characters that do not indicate natural relationship. Linnaeus' system of classification is artificial. He largely emphasized the numerical relationship of the sex organs. Second, natural system by Bentham and Hooker, the two British botanists. Bentham and Hooker system is a natural system of classification. Natural system of classification based on a large number of characters. This increases the amount of information available from the groupings. Third system, phylogenetic system of classification by Engler and Prandtl, the two German botanists. Phylogenetic system of classification means phylogenetic system is based on evolutionary ancestry and their relationships. Number one, this system is a artificial one and is based on only one or few characters of the plant. In natural system, this system is natural one and is based on several common and constant natural characters of the plant. While in phylogenetic system, this system is phylogenetic and is based on the idea of evolution. Arrangement of plants is simplicity to complexity. Second, thus the Linnaeus system is also known as sexual system of based on the number, their size, length and union of stamens. He classified the plant kingdom into 24 classes. In Bentham and Hooker system, spermatophytes are classified into dicotyledons, gymnosperm and monocotyledons. The origin of angiosperm is not established and position of a gymnosperm is anomalous, that is between the dicotyledons and monocotyledons. While in phylogenetic system of classification, the spermatophytes are divided into gymnosperms and angiosperms. The origin of angiosperms is from hypothetical gymnosperms like coniferales. Number third, in artificial system, the dicotyledons and monocotyledons have been placed together, while in natural system, dicotyledons are placed before monocotyledon, and probably dicotyledons are considered to be more primitive than monocotyledons. In phylogenetic system of classification, monocotyledons are placed first, as they are though to be more primitive than the dicotyledons. Number 4, in artificial system, all plant groups divided into 24 classes, while in Bentham and Hooker system, monocotyledons are divided into 7 series, beginning with microspermy and ending Glumaceae. In phylogenetic system of classification, monocotyledons are divided into 12 series, beginning with Pandanus and ending in microspermy. Number 5. In artificial system, arborous and herbaceous habit are considered as an important in the classification of angiosperms. While in natural system, arborous and herbaceous habit are not considered as an important in the classification of angiosperm. While in phylogenetic system, like Bentham and Hooker system. Number 6. In artificial system, it deals with the classification of entire plant kingdom, 24 class for cryptogams. While in natural system, it deals with the classification of seed plants. While in phylogenetic system of classification, it deals with the classification of entire plant kingdom from algae to angiosperm. Number 7. In artificial system, Carlos Linnaeus is considered as the father of taxonomy. He developed a way to name and organize species. While in natural system is based on De Candolle system in 1818, itself an extended arrangement of Jussius work proposed as early as 1779. While in phylogenetic system is based on Eichler system of classification. Number 8. Artificial system. The work of Linnaeus was published in Systema Naturae, while the famous work was published Genera Plantarum, Bentham and Hooker, while the monumental work of Engler and Prantl was published in Die Naturlichen Pflanzen family. References. Thank you.